Hi, Kara Sheftel here with BDS. Today, I'd love to show you the ID copy function on the Kyocera TASKalfa 4 series devices. The first thing that you're going to do is select copy on your device, and you will see all kinds of different options here. We're going to select ID card copy. There's going to be a toggle switch that you're going to want to flip. And then all you have to do is slide your ID up into the platen glass in that top left-hand corner and hit start. It's going to scan the first side, and then it's going to prompt you to flip that ID over, stick it back up in the top left-hand corner, and hit start again. Once it has 2 pages scanned, it will print your document and both sides of your ID will show up on one piece of paper. This is a great function for anyone in financial services or human resources that has to document IDs. For more information on TASKalfa 4 series devices from Kyocera, like and follow our page. I'm Kara Sheftel with Boston Document Systems.